back to 504 Road Trips. We're at the Courtyard by Marriott in Vicksburg, Mississippi. And we're going to give you a tour of our room. So this is our king room with sofa bed at the Courtyard by Marriott in Vicksburg, Mississippi. And we're going to do a tour of the room. We'll start with the basic safety features. This is a map of the hotel, and we're right here. Elevators are over here. This is a top floor room. We have a safety latch, electronic deadbolt, and a peephole. So we'll come back to the bathroom. Immediately on the left, we have a microwave, which is clean. Time's not set, but I'm probably going to unplug it anyway because that green light will light up the entire room. We have a single cup coffee maker, a couple of cups, packets of sugar and sweetener, cup holder, Rainforest Blend dark roast, dark roast, dark roast, dark roast. Down here, we have a refrigerator, which is cold and clean. We have some sort of artwork here that I don't really understand. The air condition, which is, we'll come to that, but it's controlled by a thermostat. And then we come into the room, and this isn't a very big room, but it's pretty well laid out. We have a large king-size bed. They give us 4 pillows, 2 big ones and 2 little ones. A telephone at the bedside, a little post-it notepad, and a pen. A drawer here with the Bible and a storage space underneath. Over on this side we have an alarm clock, which I'm going to unplug also because the hotel we stayed in last night had the alarm set for 6 a.m. At the light fixtures on the sides of the bed, there are electric outlets on both sides. And we have a little love seat over here in the corner. This is just Oh, it folds out to like a twin size bed. This lamp over here in the corner also has 2 outlets, so if you want to sit on the couch and work on your laptop or something, you can do that. We have a little table here, and these tables can be put alongside the bed. Oh, no, it doesn't work. The way these are designed, you're supposed to be able to pull them over the bed, but it doesn't work here. But you can do that. This is the AC unit, and that's not a window, that's next to the window. And this whole side of the room has this built-in unit. And it includes a desk, which the desk rolls out to give you more space. We have 3 drawers here. And that's extra bedding, I guess, for the pull-out. A small television, which is fine because this isn't a very big room. And it's some sort of smart TV. We haven't tried that yet. It was on when we came in the room, just playing music. And then we have this closet here. And inside the closet we have an iron, which is supposed to go up in this thing here. We have a small ironing board, laundry bags, hangers, more hangers. I'm not sure what this top space is for though. That might be where they hide all the stuff for the television. So let's take a look out the window and see the view. And our view is of somebody's backyard. So now we're going to check out the bathroom. And we start with a large mirror here. This is a modern fixture. It looks like one of those old-fashioned fluorescent fixtures, but it's not. Inside the bathroom, we have a couple more cups, an ice bucket. Let's see what we have here. Lemon Sage Energizing Body Lotion, Tea Tree. Body wash. This is Paul Mitchell shampoo and super rich conditioner, detangler. We have a generic looking bar of soap, shower cap, more cleansing bar. The floor is kind of sticky. We have a single bath towel, towel and washcloth, hand towel and washcloth there, 2 more hand towels and washcloths, a little trash can, 2 more bath towels, and the toilet by American Standard. And this is the kind that doesn't slam shut. We have a shower. This is kind of interesting the way this is set up. The bathtub with a little seat at the end and this piece of frosted glass here. So the curved shower curtain rod only allows the curtain to come to here, but then this blocks off the rest of it. Let's Check out the shower head. It's like a decent shower head. Let's see. This is somehow adjustable. It doesn't work very well, but normal shower is pretty good. This is twisted a little bit on that turns. Look at that. This shower could use a little bit of attention, but otherwise I think it's okay. Let's check out the grounds. So we take a look at the gardens and patio area in what I guess must be the Courtyard here at the Courtyard by Marriott. This concludes our hotel tour. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.